from the plastic modulus, because when or at plastic stage, the plastic moment is equal to Fy times the plastic modulus. I explained to you last meeting what I mean by plastic stage. That is when the all the fiber of the section reach its yield stress. That's why we can determine the plastic modulus by this yield stress. So we have taken that the shape factor is equal to the plastic modulus divided by the section modulus. So for rectangular section, the shape factor is 1.5. For other section, like for example, yung W section, BW, BH, mga ganyan, S shape, then the range of the shape factor is 1.15 to or 1.1 to 1.17 kung nagsabdi kaya. Up to, basta nasurok nga, apag surok lang nga, 1.1. The shape factor na padasin nyo nga, if you look at the steel manual, lalo na sa BW, yung BH, nakalagay na doon yung shape factor. Ewan ko lang sa dati nga mindaan nga manual, steel manual, DJW section or world plank section ang pinaka kabil. Kitain nyo yan tay baron no nakakabil day jayan. Baka the shape plastic section nan. Plastic modulus nan. Now, we have taken also that in section 506, chapter 506 of the NSCP, when for compact section, for compact section and laterally supported, it may fail due to yielding of the section. So the nominal moment is equal to Fy times Jx, which is equal to the plastic moment. So yung ultimate moment capacity of the section is equal to reduction factor P times Fyjx. So ano, ag-design tayo, dapat i-applied, it should not be greater than that value. So, regarding lateral torsional buckling, kasi no flexural member ko na tayo, modes of failure are yielding and the gross section, may isa data. Then second is lateral torsional buckling. So lateral torsional buckling, so you must have to check if it is laterally supported or laterally unsupported. That is when the actual embrace length is lesser than LP, lesser or equal to LP, then there's no tendency for the member to buckle because it is laterally supported. So in that case, the lateral torsional buckling does not apply. It will not fail due to lateral torsional buckling. That's why yung M sub U is equal to reduction factor P times MP or FYZX. But if the actual embrace length is greater than yung limitation ng laterally supported, that is LP, but lesser or equal to LR, and also compact section, then you will use equation 506.2-2 for the determination of the nominal moment. But when the actual embrace length is greater than LR, then it will be, yung nominal strength will be based on F sub CR. Kasi magbabakel na yan. Malaki yung tendency na magbabakel. Maliit lang yung moment capacity niya pag yung actual embrace length is greater than LR. No actual embrace length is greater than LP but lesser than LR, hanyo nga ma-attain J maximum moment, plastic moment ko na kadi. You cannot attain. The member ka will or cannot attain plastic moment in that case. It is lesser than the nominal strength is lesser than the plastic strength. So what is LP? LP is equal to 1.76 R sub y square root of E over Fy. Hangko nga i-kodegitan ata, damot na CPO. At daamin na CPO, di ba? So, yung equation ng LR, at atidog basit, section pa, or equation 506.2 ba, the 7. So, nakadefine lahat dyan. Now, let's have, or let us start the design of flexural members that ay kasimplihan nga member. So nga ditoy, mayroong parte ng floor beam plan. Mayroon siyang intermediate beam, 7 meters. At the intermediate beam na, dito iti girder, dito, nalipatak lang nga inikan tinagan na. Girder no kalom to kalom ko na tayo. Dito, intermediate beam. At kung asawan, dito, so this is girder. Girder din yan. So, let's say this is G1. Tapos ito, G2. Oh, ito yung G2. Oh, 7 meters dito. Then this is 8 meters, supposed to be 8. 8 meters. Sagpupur. So, ito, 4 meters. Bale, kaste data. Now, this carries a slab. Floor beams nga ro dito, floor beam plan. Katak lang yung figure na. Ito. This is, ito intermediate ni, jak mo tinikkan ti intermediate beam. IB. This is IB ni. Nagalas mo to. So, let's say this floor beam carries a slab of carries a slab of 120 mm in thickness. Thickness of the slab. Also, we'll be using a live load equal to, let's say, 4.8 kilonewton per meter. Hindi ko alam kung anong purpose ito Ilagay ko yan lang yung live load. Baka mo kayo tag-determine data. Let's say, for example, there are all other loads, other dead loads. That is equal to 0.2 or so let us design the intermediate beam. IB, this one. So, bali dito design tayo. Na this intermediate beam or this plan floor beam plan, the beam and girder carries dead load and live load. No detoy I-beam, hantay mo't nga i-design tayo nga pure flexure data. Ngam no detoy girder, no if you analyze it using the STAAD, then this beam or girder, I should say, the girder will be subjected not only dead load and live load, but it also subjected to wind load and earthquake load. So, since we are designing the intermediate beam, and the intermediate beam and girders, as I've said, carries the slab, which has a thickness of 120 millimeter. Now, how is the connection of the slab and the I-beam? Ada nakakita kada kayo no kasano ti connection ti slab ken I-beam? Anybody?
Dagidad do ma'am tubular.
Nana?
Dagidad do ma'am ka tubular.
Get ko sa one, J connection na.
Ay, di connection na. Welding ma'am, dagi makikita.
I-welding mo nga rod ta concrete.
Ay,
Yan
concrete. Tamo ma'am,
slab mo
dagi
te.
slab to ano. Slab kinja ay beam nga di girder ma'am.
No beam and girder may be welded or bolted. Usually tata, welded connection. Now, I mean the connection of the slab and the concrete, ay the beam. Concrete the slab dayjay. So actually, ti mararami dita, no, daytoy kumajay section ti beam. Kasti kumadayjay, syempre adatay planks na dita. Kasta kumadayjay, dati ti planks na. Now, ditoy ada dagitay landok na mutlang iso tay makunkuna nga shear connector. Ito'y babas dagitay nakakabil ditoy. Kwa dito'y planks na iweld day siya. Tapos mga ganyan. Tikas lang kasla kumakasta dito eh. Now, deto'y planks and the slab ba concrete jay na imbed deto'y planks kadeta concrete isa na connects. Ore ano na imbed at the shear connector na dito eh. What I want to emphasize is that since ganito yung connection ng I-beam at saka slab, the slab will serve as a lateral support of the I-beam. So, for this case, if this carries the slab and the slab or the planks of the I-beam is embedded in the concrete slab, what is the laterally unsupported length? What is the laterally unsupported length of the slab? Of the I-beam ko nakadi. Ano ti laterally unsupported length na? Tigat ko sa one, ti laterally unsupported length the distance between lateral support. So in this case, what is the laterally unsupported length? Kasi tignan nyo ito kung i-design natin ito, pag meron na kayong section dapat i-check yun no compact section unuhan, compact, non-compact, or slender section. No compact section, ang mangyayari dyan, since it is, you must have to check also yung actual and brace length if it is lesser than LP. So, if, ganito kasi yan. If LP, ada dito eh. Tignan. If LP is greater than LB, or ito LB. Apa ano nga taga maur-ura man? Apay lumagtulag to dito. If LB is lesser than LP, then dito yun ko laterally supported adequately. Laterally supported. And for compact section, yung nominal moment M sub n is equal to MP. M sub n equals MP, which is equal to Fy Zx. Basta the actual and brace length is lesser than LP. And at LP in that equation, yung LP napaspas ngamin una. LP is equal to saan na yung equation 1.73 ay was 1.76 R sub Y 1.76 RY square root of E over Fy, di ba? Square root of E over Fy. Pero dito, going back to my question, for this case, what is the actual and brace length, LB? What is LB? Huh? What is LB? Anybody? No panunutin nyo, ana ti LB. Ni-explain ko na tayan. Siyempre, ti LB zero. Tama? Zero ti LB. Apay. Oh. Di ba kung nagtatay, detoy Islam, kerkeriyon deta IBIM. Importante nga min dagita, no? Ag-analyze kayuan nga basta talang equation tikit kita nyo, solution no. Panunutin nyo ano ti apply yo. O, detoy, ikerkeri na nga min jay Islam. Di ba jay tapti kwa? Di jay tapti I-beam, adada shear connector na. Naiimbed data yan taya Islab eh. Actually, yung planks niya pa, nai-embed pa din sa slab. Nai-connect. Oh. So that will prevent already the I-beam to buckle laterally. Ag-kilo ko mga agkasjay. So ti tendency na nga pa nag-deflect na lang along Y, vertical. But it will not buckle laterally kasi bali kwa teng-teng lang detoy bali i-prevent detoy slab. Maliban lang kung yung mga shear connector nga masideg deta shear connector eh. Asideg. Ija akat no awan ti malaksid lang no awan shear connector akat di awan haan nga matengel deta concrete. Diba? So, kahit nasa one, the actual unbraced length is equal to 0. Therefore, uray hanyo computer te Lpin, LB is lesser than LP. Tagalis tulakot dito yun. LP, which is equal to 1.76 RY square root of E over Fy. Di kadlukas to, ti nominal moment na is equal to plastic moment. Therefore, yung M sub U, reduction factor P, M sub U, M sub N na lang. Nominal moment is equal to Fyzx. Fyzx. Or, no M sub U kumamot detoy, ito M sub U kumadeta, mayunan tayo lang ti reduction factor P detoy. Tama? Detoy. And reduction factor P, ano ti kunana? 0.9. Di kad maala tayo ditoy, ti Zx. Zx. M sub U over reduction factor P Fy. But what is M sub U? Siyempre, kadamot jay kwatay dito. Dito eh. What is M sub U? The span length na dito beam is 7 meters. Let us treat it as simply supported. Say, pag ibobolt natin yan, so treat that as simply supported. Oh. Dito jay W. Mano ti W? Hmm? 24 times 0.12. Kunayo. 24 times 0.12. That is in kilopascal. Times 4. The J tributary width na. That is the uniform load carried by the I-beam due to the weight of the slab. Tapos mayroong point to, let's say W sub U na lang yung ilagay ko dito. Ano? What is W sub U? Ano ti W sub U? Pag na-multiply yan sa load factor, what is the load factor for dead load? For a combination of dead load and live load, what is the load factor? Kanyo yun sa sardeta, di churyo? Awang kayon? Awang kayo samutan? Di kayo managunay.
Yeah, ma'am.
What is the load factor for dead load? For a combination of dead load and live load, ano yung load factor na ginagamit nyo? Alam nyo, may suggestion sa akin, matagal na to, kaya lang di ko ginagamit. Mas maganda daw yung oral. Kasi no, agpa-oral exam da, makita da dya estudyante da. Hunda kayo ngamin kadiyumot kayat ngamin ti ag video cam. Sige, i-require da. Kasi kaadwan na nga pa nagpapa-exam da. ang rona ni anak ket ko oral exam. Iso nga baka oral exam tumot ti pumayak kada kayo. 11:50 mo kinuyahan Mr. Siason. Ay ano yung 11.52? So W sub U apay kastoy detoy. Ne nakabaybayagan. Oh. W sub U. Is equal to 1.2 times dead load. Ano yung dead load? 24 yung unit weight of concrete times yung thickness ni thickness is 0.12 times yung width 0.4 doon sa kabila 0.4 so half of that 0.4 is 4 ko na kedi 4 meters sa kabila 4 meters tapos 4 meters in both sides. So yung tributary width half doon sa kabila tapos half din sa kabila. Di ka 2 plus 2 which is equal to 4, di ba? 4 yung tributary width 4 meters. That is due to the weight of the concrete plus yung other dead load which is equal to 0.2 kilonewton per meter na yung nakalagay. Dati mo 24 kilonewton per cubic meter yung unit weight times 0.12 times 4 meters agbalin nga kilonewton meter din. So parehas yung unit. Plus what is the load factor for live load? For combination of dead load and live load, ano yung load factor ng live load?
1.6, ma'am.
1.6. So ano yung live load? Live load is 4.8 kung nagtatay. Kilopascal dayay. 4.8. So multiplied by the tributary with 4 meters. Hangkoy kabkabil tayo unit na ditanta di pa iso ngay type ko. Makita yung marigata na kag-type. So mano data? 1.2 times, ay nan? 24 times 0.12 times 4 plus 0.2 times 1.2 plus 1.6 times 4.8 times 4. 44.784 nakakilo newton per meter dito. Yan. So, if that is simply supported, i-design tayo, awan tayo pa iti shear, di ba? No flexure, maala tayo ti from this, ZX maala tayo ti M sub U, kung ako M sub U muna. M sub U, manawalaan nyo man. WL squared over 8. Awan pa iti weight ti beam dita, kasi awan mo pa iti section tayo ni. Mano? 274, di ba? Point 3. This is in kilonewton meter. Then, substitute your data. Use Fy. Let us use Fy equal to 248. So, M sub U, which is equal to 274.3 kilonewton meter. Substitute tayo ka dating equation. Zx was M sub U, that is 274.3 times 10 cube ay 10 to the 6, correct ka di? Times 10 to the 6. To make it in Newton millimeter. Kasi naka-kilo Newton meter data. Para consistent yung unit, times 10 to the 6 to make it in Newton millimeter. Divided by the reduction factor P.90 times Fy 248. Alam nyo dito so that it is Zx. Mano? 1228? O 29 latan. 1229 times 10 cube. That it is Zx na. Mabalin yung osarang dito yan. No, agpili ka iti trial section. Agpili kayo man ti trial section. Select trial section that will satisfy Zx. Ano nga trial? Ano nga section? Uray BW. Yan ta BW. Yan ta isot yan ZX na. ZX. 1,229. Oh. Ana? 1,271. That is 350 by 70. Pwede rin 229, 270 data. Ang amjay weight ti beam. Agpili kayo dito, ano kwa. Yung W, 350 by 75, 350 by 70. Hmm? Jay, lightest section. Nagyedwa ti pagpilian tayo. O, let us try BW 350 by 75. TW deto is equal to 75.2. 75.2 a kilogram per meter. If you multiply this by 9.81 meter per second square, at pagbalinan na Newton per meter, tama? Kasi that mass times G is Newton. Kilogram meter per second squared is Newton. Mano data? Oh, magkamin 75.2 ba yan? 9.81, nagrigat. Awan, amuklat ka, di kaya dengdengag kat. Aantay tuno agpatesak. Dadalang mangupen, apan no dete man agi, no dete pa madlaw ko pa kat no dete agi kwa akong anat na ganan. Galak attendance. Umadu kayo. Or this is equal to, ano dito? This is equal to 0.74 kilonewton per meter. Total W, for this case, Jakman i-upload dito eh. Jakman. Total, apay. W sub U, total is equal to 44.784 plus deadload data, wait equal, plus 1.2 times 0.74 45.67. That is in kilonewton per meter. Ano ti ZX na dito? ZX? Awang kayo?
1322, ma'am. Sa ZX, no?
ZX. Narigat nga. Lag to dito. 1
322, ma'am.
times 10 to the
3, ma'am.
So what is, since LP is lesser than or greater than LB, it is laterally supported. I-check tayo no compact. Yung BF over 2TF, nandyan din, di ba? BF over 2TF is equal to B over 2TF is equal to mano data 6.25. Which is, ano pag i-compare nyo ka detoy? Lesser than what? Lesser than? Ay, di kayo pa ilang amo? Pag i-compare nyo dyan, BF over 2TF, i-compare nyo ti, ana, impatay, isumot lang aon ko, naalay, di ko ata, di kayo mut lang nga kinitan. No compact, ano pag i-compare nyo, no compact section. To determine whether it is compact section. Anybody? Ano pang i-compare nyo ka data? This is lambda. I-compare nyo ti lambda P. Diba? Lambda dito eh. Compare nyo, if it is lesser than lambda P, na lambda P. What is lambda P? What is lambda P?
3.76 times square root of A over Fy, ma'am.
3.76 times
Square
root
root of E over
square root of E over Fy. Mano dito eh? Ano dito eh?
106, ma'am.
Ay, baka mali data nangikastastaan nyo. Unsteepen data. Take note that that is unsteepen. Mga 10 point something lang data eh.
0.838 garud, ma'am. Hanga 3.7.
0.38. Detoy, 3.76 square root of V over Fy. That is the steepen projecting element. 0.38. Isumot lang, di kayo naala, di ko pwede kayo salsaludsod. 10 point?
79, ma'am.
79. 10.8. 79. So, compact, di ba? Compact planks. Ito. Therefore, compact planks. I-check nyo pa, Ijay. Web. This is lambda. Supposed to be, this is lambda F. Lambda F. I-check tayo, Jekwa. Web. This is lambda W. Ni Iso na 33.76 square root of V over Fy. Ito pang kamperan nyo. Anati H over thickness of web dito eh. Yung H over thickness of web. Nandiyan na, di ba? H over TW is 35, di ba? Equals 35. Apay nga tanga nag... Tetan. Di, isurete ti compare ti kwa. Lesser than lambda P W. PW dito eh. And this is equal to 3.76 square root of E over Fy. Iya, pinakadaan. Dito ka dati dito. Oh. Mano dati tatay? Equals 106 ya. 106 well?
0.78, ma'am.
0.78. Oh. So, compact web. Therefore, compact planks, compact web, section is compact. So, if section is compact and laterally, since section is compact and laterally supported, and M sub n o reduction factor P times M sub n is equal to reduction factor P 0.90 times Fy 248 times Zx manut tayo Zx nan 1322 times 10 cube times 10 to the minus 3 to make it in detoy. Ti result na detoy Newton millimeter at minus 6 pala. Times 10 to the minus 6 to make it in kilonewton meter. Mano? Mano?
297.30, ma'am.
30 kilonewton meter dito yan.
Ayan, ma'am.
Then i-compare yun ti M sub U applied. M sub U na-compute ka dito tatayan. Ampay? M sub U is equal to WL squared over 8. Dato iti nga W sub U ti kasta 45.67. Nairaman day jay weight ti kwa deto yan ti beam. Investigate tayo lang YouTube lecture. I-check tayo. 45.67 times 7 squared over 8. Oh, mano dito eh. $279. .73 kilonewton meter. This is lesser than reduction factor P kilonewton meter. So, okay for flexure dito eh. Therefore, safe for flexure. Napay nga hangko pay nga yun detoy. Napay tawan itoy. Flexure pay lang detoy deflect pay data napay. I-check you pay ti deflection na napay i-check you pay ti shear. Kung di tayo mo pay na-discuss ti shear, i-discuss tayo ti shear. Tap na maminsan. We do not need to check that for lateral torsional buckling, that because it is laterally supported. It is laterally supported. So there is no tendency to buckle laterally. Ngam no digijay kwa no i-check yo kuma jay lateral DJ actual and brace length greater than LP, then that you must have to consider the lateral torsional buckling. Hintay ti shear, tapos na ma-investigate tayo ti shear. Design of members for shear, kung na dito section 507. The reduction factor P for shear is 0.90 using LRFD method and 1.67 for ASD method, yung factor of safety. Members with that stiffen or stiffen webs. Kung na dito ano kaya na sa undeta? Members with unstiffen or stiffen web. Data section ngayon sa tayo BW. Stiffen webs dayjay. Kasi jay web na stiffen element. Pero dito yung section applicable to unstiffen and stiffen webs. Nagusar kay kumati section nga, let's say for example WT. Yung WT, it has an unstiffen web. Tapno ikangkanayon ko yung emphasize di jay at baka magtudak to man ti problema isot pa kaukalawan yung man di jayen. So members with unstiffen or stiffen webs, the nominal shear strength B sub n of unstiffen or stiffen webs according to the limit states of shear yielding and shear buckling is that B sub n is equal to 0.6 Fy AW C sub B. So, for paragraph 1, for webs of rolled I-shaped members, rolled I-shaped member, with H over TW lesser or equal to 2.24 square root of E over Fy, the reduction factor P is 1.0 or 1.5 for factor of safety. Use C sub B equals 1. For webs of all other doubly symmetric shapes and singly symmetric shapes and channels except round hollow steel section, the web shear coefficient C sub B is determined as follows. H over TW lesser or equal to 1.1 square root of KB E over Fy C sub B is equal to 1.0. But if it is lesser or equal to yung H over TW, greater than that value, yung 1.1 square root of KBE over Fy, but lesser or equal to 1.37 KBE over Fy, then you will be using C sub B, 1.1 square root of KBE over Fy divided by H over TW. But for H over TW greater than 1.37, square root of KBE over Fy, use C sub B equals 1.51 E KB over HTW squared FY. Anong gagamitin nating equation based on this provision? Is the section rolled shape? Is it rolled shape? Ne, di kayo man nagunay nawang kayo
Saan,
manan.
ma'am?
Haan kasi build up data. Da kita BW, BH, saan nga rolled shape data. Build up nga dayjay kuwahan mo't nga modified dayjay kel over R na data kasi the planks is continuously welded to the web. Continuously connected, welded, continuously welded to the web. No data BH, BW. Fabricated ko data. Na i-weld data planks con web consists of 3 plates. So, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung paragraph 1. Di kad dati paragraph 2. H over TW. Di kad kun alaan tayo ti kwa. I-check tayo ti shear. Anda ni gaya malas 9 katanda classic talas 9. Ana TH over TW. Ada change ko di jayan. H over TW at doon sa dito tayong cut. H over TW kung madito ngamin H over TW kat 35. So, 35. Then, lesser or equal. I-check tayo. Is it lesser or equal to 1.1 square root of KB P over FY. Alam nyo man detoy. Regarding KB, for web plate backlink coefficient, KB is determined as follows. For unsteepened webs, the equation na dita. For steepened webs, KB is equal to 5 plus 5 over A over H square. A is the clear distance between transverse steepener. So, steepener na. That is equal to 5 when A over H is greater than 3 or A over H greater than 260 o squared over 260 over H over TW, the quantity squared. But yung A, clear distance between transverse steepeners kunana dita. Adakan nga ro transverse steepeners na. Wala, di ba? Walang transverse steepeners. 5 plus 5 over A over H greater than 3 no zero data, then KB is equal to 5. 1.1 square root of wala inyo man dito. Greater. This is greater. So this 35 is kasi dito yung mga 69.85. For H over TW lesser. Therefore, C sub B naapo ay. If C sub B is equal to 1.0, B sub N is equal to B sub N equals 0.6, 0.6 times FY 248 times data area W or AW, the overall depth times the web thickness. So D times thickness of web. Ano ti overall depth na? Alam nyo man? JH. What is H? DJ section. Dito. Ay, awan gayan tayo properties na dito eh. Alam nyo man TH? Yan na tayo properties na. What is H? Awan kayan? May awan kayo mutan. Ano TH? Alaala yun tadyak ko kaganan. JH of ni awan kayo mutan ni absent kay man la aminan. Haang ko nga mangagno ko ata sa bali nga ron tikit kitak. 350. Uray kat nga tan itatype yun dita di kay laawan lat mangibagan. Nasaan na? Yung thickness of web, alam nyo pa eh. TW is equal to naggalas mo tikas to. Thickness of web, mano? Mana? Isa uyo lat ang aminan Awan lati, awan hang ko ngamin na makita no jak sublian. Marigatan nak deti ni. 10 mm. So, 350 times 10. Awan, basit kayon. Napananti na dumaga, dapat nagsasaotan tayo.
Da, ma'am.
Awan kaya, dapat gayang makapagsao. Kutawan lang tagsaon. $350 times 10. AW yan. Tapos, C sub B, 1. Mano dito eh. We will multiply this by reduction factor P. Reduction factor P, 0.9. Tapnolog, baling nga B sub U dito eh. Oh, mano. We will multiply this by 10 to the minus 3 to make it in kilonewton. Mano data?
468.72, ma'am. Kilonewton.
468.72 kilonewton. What is the actual B sub U? Times reduction factor P ko dito. B sub U. Manot B sub U. Paingat nga. Nagalis to ngamin, lumagtulag to ngamin dito. B sub U, TW sub U is 45.67. No simply supported, 70 length na. 7 over 2. Stop. Ay, apo. Mano dito? Nagka-kilonewton dito. 45.67 times 7 over 45.67 times 3.5. $159. This is lesser than reduction factor P times B sub N. Therefore, safe. Very safe pa ikat di. Safe for sure. Tapos, i-check tayo ito pa iti deflection kasi floor, the intermediate beam carries the floor slab. If the floor slab carries a materials that are likely to be damaged by large deflection, then we need to limit the deflection to L over 360. Live load deflection. Agbayani Antonio Ballesteros.